Hey everyone, welcome back to Limpiar Cleaning Services channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only good for your home but also for our planet. Finding affordable and effective green cleaners near you. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why green cleaning matters. Traditional cleaners often contain harsh chemicals harmful to the environment and our health. Green cleaners, on the other hand, offer a sustainable and effective alternative. Now, affordability is crucial. Contrary to the myth that green cleaners break the bank, there are budget-friendly options available. We'll show you how to find them without compromising on quality. So, how do you find these gems near you? Start by a quick online search or use maps to locate local stores or cleaning services that specialize in green products. Supporting local businesses is a win-win. Effectiveness is key. Look for products with eco-friendly certifications. These labels ensure that the cleaners not only support the environment but also get the job done, leaving your space spick and span. Sometimes the most effective solutions are right in your kitchen. I'll share a few DIY green cleaning hacks that are affordable, easy to make, and super effective. Of course, if you're looking for a hassle-free, professional green cleaning experience, look no further than Limpiar Cleaning Services. We pride ourselves on using eco-friendly products that leave your home sparkling clean and Mother Earth smiling. Alright folks, that's a wrap for today's video on finding affordable and effective green cleaners near you. Remember, making the switch to green cleaning not only benefits your home but contributes to a healthier planet. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cleaning!